Hello everyone. Well, let me introduce something and someone to you. So, this is Rofi. It is my pet monkey. It is my pet monkey. This is Ria. She is a girl. This is Sahil. He is a joker. And this is my phone. It is a landline phone. So I have shown you some of my things, right? So what I used for them? Sahil. Sahil is a boy. For boys, what we use? He. And for the girls, for the women, he. And this is my fish. It swims in water. So now students, I have shown you a fish and a monkey. So this is an animal, and so both are animals. So basically for the animals and for the things, like I have shown you telephone also. For the things, for the birds and for the animals, we use it for them, right? So students, today I am going to introduce you the topic I, you, she, he and it. So what are they called? They are called pronouns. Where do we use pronouns? We use pronouns when we do not use the naming words, when we do not use the nouns. So in place of noun की जगह पे हम जो word use करते हैं हम उसको pronoun बोलते हैं. Like for the boy, I use the pronoun he. For the women, I use the pronoun she. For the animals and for things, I used it. Right, students? So, we have to use pronouns for them. When we talk to the person who is in front of us, जब हम किसी से बात कर रहे होते हैं तब हम उसका नेम नहीं ना लेते, तब हम उसको तुम बोलते हैं, है ना? तुम ऐसा करते हो, तुम वैसा करते हो, तब हम उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? यू. सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग टू द पर्सन हु इज़ इन फ्रंट, जब हम किसी से बात करें हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? हम उसको यू बोलते हैं. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो all these words, he, she, it, right, and you, these all are called pronouns which are used in place of nouns, जो noun की जगह पे use होते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम हम किसी चीज़ को इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, इंट्रोड्यूस करते हुए हम उसका नेम बताते हैं, लेकिन जब हम सेकेंड टाइम हम उस पर्सन के बारे में बताते हैं तब हम उसका नेम नहीं लेते, हम उसके बारे में ही, शी, इट यूज़ करते हैं. Right? So for the boys and the men we use he, right? And for the girls, for the women, means for the female, we use she. For the things and for birds and animals, things like non-living things. What are non-living things? Like table, chair, sofa, fan, means whatever the things around us. जो बोलती नहीं है, दे कैन नॉट टॉक, दे कैन नॉट वॉक, आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. उनको नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बोलते हैं, हम उनके लिए भी वी यूज़ इट. राइट स्टूडेंट्स? सो टुगेदर वी कॉल देम प्रोनाउंस. व्हाट वी कॉल देम? प्रोनाउंस. सो लुक हियर, आई एंड यू. We use I and you for the boy, like a boy, a girl, a man or a woman. Like you are a boy, you are a girl, you are a man, you are a woman. I am a boy, I am a girl, like this. Right? And he we use for all the male persons. It can include boy, man, your grandfather, uncle, father, right? So all the male category come under he. She we use for girls, for women, right? for means all the female. In this we can include mama, your mother, your sister, right, your grandmother, your aunt, आपकी बुआ जी, मामी, मतलब जितनी भी लेडीज़ हैं, फीमेल हैं, they all come under she. And it we use for animals, birds, trees and non-living things. Non-living things I think you all have got, means the things that cannot breathe, जो सांस नहीं ले सकती, जो खा नहीं सकती, जो कुछ भी मीन्स चल नहीं सकती, right? So these are called living things. So students, let us do some examples here. This is Monu. He or she is a boy. What do you think? Who is Monu? He is a boy or she is a boy? He is a boy. Neha has pet rabbit. So what we will use for the rabbit? He or it or he is white in color. So what is white in color? Rabbit. So for rabbit what we will use? It, because rabbit is an animal. I have an umbrella. What I have? An umbrella. She or it is new. What is new? She is new or it is new? Of course it is new, because it we have used for umbrella. Umbrella is a naming word and it is a pronoun for that naming word. I am good. You are also good. I. When we talk about ourselves, we use I, and you are also good. You for the person हम जिसके साथ बात कर रहे हैं, right students? So all these are pronouns. So we use pronouns in place of nouns. जब हमने नेम की जगह पे हम जिस वर्ड का यूज करते हैं उनको pronouns बोलते हैं, right?